Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn the use of VLOOKUP formula. As we have employee ID column and other employee details in Excel, and we need to use VLOOKUP formula here. We need the details by inserting employee ID. So, we use here formula VLOOKUP. First, we need to select employee ID cell for lookup value. Now, we need to select whole table data. For the table array condition, now we need to make constant by F4. Now, we need column number. We use here 2 due the name is in the second column. Now press 0 for exact match. Now, we need to test our formula. We insert here employee ID. Now, if we drag formula to right, this formula will not work due to data selection. So, we again use here formula. But before that, we need type here column number. You can also hide column number as well. Now, we again insert here VLOOKUP formula. VLOOKUP formula is the most used formula in Excel. Now, type here our formula. Now, select lookup value cell. Now make it constant by F4. For table array, select whole table data. Again, press F4 to make constant. For column number, select above number cell. Now, type here 0 for exact match. Now, we need to drag formula to apply on other cells. Now, we simply insert employee ID to test formula. We simply need to insert employee ID. We will get all the related details. In this way, we have used VLOOKUP formula in Excel